Hey guys, look at this. This is a tomato pickle, very delicious. See how appealing and mouth-watering. So let's see how to make it. It's very simple and easy, but very tasty. Hey guys, you know what is this? It's a tomato puree with the salt and chili powder. Okay, according to your taste. I add some Asafoetida powder. Now I'm going to add this in a hot oil, sesame seed oil. Summer started, so tomato price is very less today. So I bought a lot of tomatoes. So I'm going to make a tomato pickle, and you can use for any side dishes or any rice, and it is very easy to make. I heated 5 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. I'm going to add some mustard seeds and asafoetida powder and some curry leaves. Then I'm going to add the puree I showed you. So let's do it. Let's see how it's going to be, and let's see the outcome and the taste. Taste will be very awesome, and I can guarantee that. Let's see. I have added mustard seed, curry leaves, and some asafoetida powder. So the mustard is popping now, and some fenugreek, crushed fenugreek also added. So now I'm going to pour the tomato puree on it. Look at this. So I'm going to mix it gently, and I'm going to close it with a glass lid for a while. Look at this. So it's boiling, and so we are going to close this pan with a glass lid for at least 20 minutes in a medium flame. Okay, then we can come and see how it looks. After that, we are going to mix it. Then again, we are going to evaporate all the water by heating in a low flame until it become a semi-solid colloid and pickly tomato gravy, where all the oil, sesame oil we poured for the initial stage will come out, and let's see how it's going to be. So I opened it after 20 minutes. Did you see that? All the sesame oil we added initially came up. It's completely cooked, and see how so look at this. So the tomato pickle, it's ready. Tastes fantastic with white rice, boiled rice. If you put a little bit of this and mix it and eat, it's awesome, heavenly taste. And also for the other breakfast, tacos, naan, chapati, pulao, and other rotis, for everything this will be very good. And the South Indian dishes like for idli, dosa, pongal, puri, upma, for everything this is the awesome, fantastic tomato pickle. So the name is tomato pickle, but it doesn't taste like a pickle. It tastes fantastic. So try this at home and let me know your thoughts in comment section. It's very, very easy to make, and it is very long standing. If you keep it in the fridge, it lasts for more than a month, of course. So try this at home and let me know your thoughts in comment section. Thank you guys.